Welcome to How to Solve.
How to use Klarna for beginners. So first, you visit the website of Klarna. So this is the homepage of Klarna. You can see there Klarna International, and you can see there the affiliate regions or countries that uses this kind of application, which is Klarna. Klarna helps you to find products that is more convenient and much more cheaper. You can compare the prices of each products. So here about Klarna, these are the informations about Klarna. You can read what are the things that involves about Klarna. And now let's go back to its homepage. So you can see there choose your language and region. Okay, so we have there UK, Australia, and any other countries. Now, this is the main homepage of Klarna because I chose there the US based. And here you can sign up or log in. It depends on you. But sometimes maybe it's hard if the country that you are in is not affiliated to Klarna. So let's try to create an account in Klarna. So you're going to tap United States, and then after that one, create an account. So if we create an account, of course, we will use our active email or maybe your personal email if you want to. So we have here, just put your email, your active email in it. And there you go. I'll be trying to use my personal email, my personal and active email, so that you will be notified, right? And then just confirm and continue. So after that one, we have here some confirmation. So we have there. You can just tap it for verification purposes that you are not a robot. Now, as you can see, something went wrong. It's because my location is in the Philippines and I put there United States. But anyway, that's okay. Let's just explore the homepage of Klarna. And now we're back to the homepage of Klarna. You can see there's some categories. We have health, clothing, toys, everything that you need to find online, you can see here in Klarna. So let's try first on clothing. You can see some clothing accessories, everything that involves about clothing, lots of categories for you to choose. So we will try the sunglasses, just a quick try. So you can see here the different kinds of products about sunglasses or sunglasses products. You can see the price range, and then let's try this one, Ray-Ban Club Muster. So you can see there the stores that sells this kind of product, and you can compare the prices. You can see there some prices are out of stock already because I think it's very cheap. So we will tap this $71 because this is the cheapest. And then it will take you here. So after that one, we have the $71.99 product. So if you click that one, you can see the store. You can buy it now, you can add to cart, or just add to your wish list or watch list. And then these are the payments. You can use PayPal, you can use your credit card, if you are just in US. And then we have the salary information. This was the cheapest one. What's good in Klarna is that you can compare the prices of the products in which you can choose from the cheapest to the most expensive product. And that's how to use Klarna. I hope it helps.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.